So this was a bit of a shitter. Took it down to metal, sprayed it. Didn't video it because I've done it all before. And if you want to see a video of it, type in record pipe wrench restoration. Apparently there's some other people out there that do restorations. You might get them by accident. Or you could just go through my playlist and that way you'll only get me, you see. Right. So that's that one goes in there like that. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Can't even show you what it looked like because I forgot to take a picture. But it come from the same batch as this one, so I think you can get the general before and after, can't you? Now this one, if I put that there, we can still see it, yeah. Now this one was a nice easy one. Clean it all up, bag over the top. Alright, there's that one. I don't have a style I do them in. I do them in what I call what's easiest. If this bit's already clean, that's it, that just gets a paint there. If this bit's a bit iffy, rough, it gets a paint all over. Don't paint that, don't paint the jaw. That's, you know, and again, there's the, that's how they came, them ones. They come in a pack of 6, I think. Don't know if you've seen the video yet. The video's out there. You might not have seen it, because I might not have released it yet. Because I'm a bit fucking crazy with the way I'm releasing things, and I am all out of order, everything. I've done all these on the same day. As soon as I'd finished the spraying, I took them out the spray booth, hung them up in the workshop on nails. That's 17 things hanging up at the minute. So this one I'm very happy with because this is a personal collectible, this one. If you go on my tool wall video, you'll see the 18-inch version of this, but this one is very clean. So this is a keeper. These two are going on eBay because they're just records, although this is an immaculate one considering it's got springs. It's in such good condition. Right, so that's a good door. Number 12. 12s of every one of these are hard to find. I'll put that there. Can we still see that? Yeah. I'll put them all back together before I spray them, because otherwise you have tops and bottoms and thumb wheels and everything everywhere and it gets confusing. So, don't know what this one is actually. And I've sprayed. Oh, this is a. Do you know, I've had some of these for ages. This is a Chatwin, and I do believe this is the first Chatwin I've sprayed ever. So Chatwin are they're about as early as records. They're a good brand, but they died out. Nobody's heard of them, so nobody buys them. But so that one will go up on the wall. That'll be my first Chatwin up on the wall. I think I've got the whole set somewhere. I just got to clean them. Then the extra special, unusual, because I don't see these very often, like all the others. This is a CK. A little 8-inch CK, look. Done him in Reseda green. Not the best quality considering it's German. I mean, have I got a record to compare? It's going to make it look sick. I've got a little Laura 8-inch. I mean, that's a bit manky, that one, isn't it? Cool, fucking hell. No wonder that ain't sold. Right, so yeah, that's a little CK. I suppose I should keep it because I ain't got one, but it's a bit sick. I don't like keeping sick looking ones of those. Right, and I've got another. You got to love the old diamond brand pincers, isn't it? Is that going rust? Have I not cleaned that bit? Don't know. Oh. So you got the diamond brand pincers. I've got several other pincers done at the same time. Can't be bothered showing you all them. This Stanley knife, I just sprayed it red because I had the red paint out. It was, it's the one that was all contortioned up. So I'll actually use that one. I won't feel too bad about using that because it looks like a lump of shit, doesn't it? Then I've got my Comfy Cut scissors. So there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another 7 of these hanging up. I'm not getting them all. It'd be boring, wouldn't it? They're just pincers. Don't even know what you use them for. Pulling out tacks. That's what a crowbar's for. I mean, pulling out tacks, use your teeth, can't you? Well, I'll let you into a treat and, you know, do a couple of weeks of video a day. In case you're not feeling suicidal enough. So, these are, remember these coming in the other day? These are Comfy Cut. Comfy Cut. I ain't got the lights on. Oh, fuck, you know. Comfy Cut scissors. And, yeah, I got 2 fingers, so I don't know if that's good or not. My fingers are a bit big for these, so I reckon they're for girls. Don't know what they're like at cutting stuff. What have I got? Only got jack sticker. Had stickers in the middle, so I'll cut the edge. Oh, they're good, aren't they? Look. Oh, I like them. I might keep them. Cut my hair. Oh, I ain't got none. Never mind. I might put that down there. That's that. That's that. That's that. And I think we'll call that done for now, shall we? So that's just an arrangement, you see, of different things. So I've done black, red, green and blue in the same. I probably took, I prepped everything first because I don't want dust flying around while I'm spraying. And that probably took, I don't know, more time to tape it up, about 40 minutes to tape it and spray it all, I suppose. So they went in 4s. So there was a group of 4 and then another group of 4 of these. Or when I got an iron, you know, the old-fashioned little irons. But that's not finished. It's not finished yet because I want to do that. I want to clean that up. Obviously, that's where the spray's gone underneath when I sprayed it. But that's all nice and black now. That won't rust. That I'm going to clean up and wax, and I want to do the handle in. Ooh, it's either going to be metallic silver or a copper. Actually, I think I'm out of the metallic silver I use and everything. So, what's that one there? Satin nickel. No, I don't like that for this. Ooh. It might get the copper treatment then. It might look shit and come off. I don't know. But yeah, I want to copper the handle up. Clean the bottom. And that's a lovely looking iron then, isn't it? So it still needs a bit of work, that one. That'll go on eBay. That'll go on eBay. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. I'm really not the. That's probably a keeper until I get a better one, to be honest. I found this is a 6 to 4. That's an 8-inch. I've got a 7-inch one of these come in yesterday. So I'm going to clean that up and then I'll sell the 8 and 7 together. These are, they fly out the door, the diamonds, as I've said before. That's about it for now then. So, another short video, isn't it? But it's all different stuff, and it keeps you bored, keeps you from getting bored. Right, bye for now.